Live look at ABC 15 Desert Doppler right now. That's months away, so we're going to enjoy it while we can. You can see our scans and radar going across the state, but not picking up anything. The valley waking up quiet, and so is the state. 50 degrees currently at Phoenix Sky Harbor. Right now we're at 54% humidity. Your wind's not too bad either, less than 5 miles an hour currently at Sky Harbor anyway. As we look at your current temperatures across the valley, yeah, most of us are in the 40s right now, mid to upper 40s, low 50s. 50 in Mesa, 50 in Tempe right now. We're down to 45 in Chandler and Ahwatukee. 46 in Glendale, 48 for us in Peoria and Surprise. Good morning to you both. 47 in Levine and 48 in Goodyear. Let's take a broader look quickly across the state. We see those temperatures in the 40s in Payson and Sedona, 20s in Prescott. We're down into the teens though in Flagstaff. Yeah, it's cold there. The Grand Canyon down to 16 degrees. That's dropped about 3 degrees in the last 45 minutes to an hour. So your Sunday forecast, yeah, way far off from those cold temperatures. Really nice for us today. 77 degrees with mostly clear skies for us here. Your UV index is going to be moderate. Actually, so is your air quality there. That still needs to update, but then no rain chances and no other weather alerts. So we're enjoying that. A good day for you to get out there and enjoy yourself. So much happening around the valley today, including the Glendale Chocolate Affair. If you're planning to head out there, just know it's going to be warmer, light winds for us here, upper 60s by noon. As we get into the afternoon, yeah, those temperatures just continue to climb. 77 degrees though by 4 o'clock. Really nice to get out there and eat some chocolate, people. Here's a look at Futurecast. As I go ahead and press play on this one here, you see that cloud coverage kind of move on through. That's going to be better overnight. I think when we'll see that thicker cloud coverage by tomorrow morning, I think we're going to be clear again. However, the clouds will continue to stream in as we get on in through the rest of the day, and they'll stick with us at least for tomorrow and the next few days as well. Now you see this activity, most of that's going to stay up to the north of us. We're not putting up any rain chances yet. Right now it looks like better chances and slight rain chances up to our north there. Could see parts of Payson there in Sedona, Flagstaff and the Grand Canyon getting in on some of that. So if we do see it, we of course are going to push that right to your phone. Now the good news is that's tomorrow. So if you do plan to go to Snow Bowl today, here's a look at what you can expect. Yeah, temperatures aren't going to be too bad. Well, as a matter of fact, they're going to be a little bit mild. So morning time, I think get out there early if you like to be super cold. 46 degrees by 11 a.m. We're climbing into the 50s by the afternoon. Still sitting in the 40s though as we get into the late afternoon and the early evening. Our forecast highs across the valley today, mostly mid to upper 70s, 74 in Fountain Hills, 76 in Scottsdale, 74 in Deer Valley, 77 in Glendale and 76 in Levine. Quickly across the state here, 60 in Payson, 62 in Sedona, 61 in Prescott. We will continue to see 70s there out to the west of us, 77 in Gila Bend and Yuma as well. That's what we're going to top out today in Phoenix for us. We see a slight dip in temperatures here as we go for the next couple of days with this system here that's brought us those clouds, and then the warm up, yeah, just continues. We're back into the 70s by Wednesday, but 80s on Thursday and Friday. No.